3 AM. About to wake Chilli up. One day a year, ANZAC Day. Get up and do the dawn service. Happy ANZAC. This is for all you ANZACs.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're off to our dawn service. Got Chilli up. We got our mate Benny. He's been on our channel before.
Yeah.
Morning.
We went for a scooter that ride. But yeah, we're going for the dawn service.
Scooted that ride.
That ride. And we're still half asleep.
Tell it's early.
Yeah, this we got to do for the diggers. They got up for us. That they had to do.
Yeah, I haven't missed the dawn service in 36 years.
Yeah, I haven't missed the dawn service in about 5 years.
No, except for jail.
Chilli.
In 1991. He's seen operational service in the Gulf, Afghanistan and in the Middle East.
Out at the RSL. ANZAC Brekkie. Aussie Brekkie.